Today we are here at one of the most famous shopping malls in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We, NHL Taiwan team, bring these iconic shopping mall one solutions, IoT solutions, smart city solutions as well, with being monitoring sensors. So all types of we have each sensor we mounted here, so our camera can detect the fill level of the trash. So trash collection or the cleaner can take action.
So the benefits to mall owners, establishments, and whatnot is that they don't need to hire a lot of cleaners just to manually inspect each and every trash can one by one. And the other use for here is, of course, you get historical data on how often the trash is emptied, how much supplies you've used. So in turn, you'll have a better idea on how to set up your establishment, how much more waste bins you'll need.
And we are happy to bring this solution for Malaysia and for you, and also for us and the world. Thank you. Terima kasih.